Next, question number 39. The connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. Option A, Nautilus. Option B, Glaucidium larva. Option C, Neopelina. Option D, Veliger larva. Dear students, please make a list of connecting links, which is very important because this is another area where we can expect questions. Here the question is the connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. Option A, Nautilus. Option B, Glaucidium larva. Option C, Neopelina. Option D, Veliger larva. So the answer for this is option C. Option C. Option C is the answer. Then, question number 40. Ambulacral groove are absent in living forms of class Crinoideae. Option A. Option B, Asteroideae. Option C, Ophiroideae. Option D, Echinodermata. So, the option is 40th. Answer C. First, some students, you may have doubt, what is ambulacral groove? If you remember the starfish which you observed in your lab first PUC, you can see in starfish on the lower surface which faces the ground, there is a trench-like depression which moves from the center towards the tip of the leg or the arm, and a depression, and this is called ambulacral groove. Ambulacral groove. And here you should remember one point, that this particular groove or depression, on either side of this, the presence of a small tube feet, a sac-like or a bag-like structure there present, they are called tube feet, and this groove is called ambulacral groove. The groove is called ambulacral groove. So, it is not found in Ophiuroideae. So, the answer is option C. Question number 41. Ecdysone is secreted from option A, insecta. Option B, trematoda. Option C, nematoda. Option D, polychaeta. First of all, what is ecdysone? Ecdysone is a hormone. It is a molting hormone. I'll write the answer later. Ecdysone is a molting hormone. What is molting? Molting is changing from one stage to other in the life cycle. In the life cycle. Where we come across this? In silkworm. Silkworm. And in snake, and some insects. Shedding of their exoskeleton. Molting means it is shedding of the exoskeleton is called molting, shedding of the exoskeleton. that is observed in snakes. They may shed their skin. And that particular process is called ecdysis. Ecdysis. And the answer for this question is option A. Option A. 42. Question number 42. What's the question? Excretory organ in platyhelminthes. Excretory organ in platyhelminthes. Option A, gills. Option B, flame cells. Option C, nephridia. Option D, trachea. 42 option is option B. Option B. Flame cells, they are called flame cells because if you dissect a flatworm, you can see in the body, in the inner wall, a loop like structure will be there. Inside that, small hair like structures which oscillate, which moves like waves, and when you observe it under microscope, it absorbs like flame. It looks like flame. Hence, it absorbs nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste. Hence, it is called flame cell. Flame cells are also called pseudo or protonephridia. Sorry. Protonephridia. Why they are called protonephridia? Because they are preliminary structures which are formed prior to nephridia. Nephridia are advanced structures that we observe in earthworm. Nephridia are the excretory organs in earthworm. Malphigian tubules are the excretory organ in cockroach. So, like that, you should remember from in which category which is the excretory organ. Then, camouflage of chameleon is associated with chromoplast is option A, option B chromosome, option C chromatophore, option D chromomere. So the answer for this question is answer C. Answer C. Chromatophore. Next question, 44. Question number 44. The horns of the rhinoceros are composed of option A, chitin, option B, bone, option C, keratin, option D, cartilage. The horns of rhinoceros are composed of, it's a very interesting question. Option A, chitin, option B, bone, option C, keratin, option D, cartilage. And I will give a clue for this. The horn of the rhinoceros are made up of hairs. Horns are made up of hairs. So now you got the answer. That is option C. Because hair consists of protein that is called keratin. Option C. Now the question number 45. 45. Which one of the following pairs of animals comprises of jawless fishes? Mackerels and rohu is the first option. Second option is lampreys and hagfish. Third option is guppies and hagfish. Fourth option is lampreys and eel. So the option for this is option B. Jawless, ignatha, without jaw. Question number 46. 46. Which of the following is most poisonous lizard? Chameleon, glass snake, then Heloderma, horned toad. So the option is C. Option C. Option C. Then Jacobson organ is concerned with touch, hearing, smell, sight, that is vision. So the option for this, the correct option for this is option C. Olfaction, olfaction, smell, olfaction, smell. Then 48, match the following. 48. The option for this is option C. Option C. Then 49. Statement A. Cephalochordates bears notochord all along the body throughout life. Urochordates bear vertebral column only in tail region throughout the life. Choose the correct option from the following. Choose the correct options from the following. So, if that is a question, then options. Option A, both are correct. Option B, A is correct, B is wrong. Option C, A is wrong, B is correct. Option D, both the statements A and B are wrong. So, in this case, the answer is B. Answer is B. What is B? A is correct, B is wrong. Why B is wrong? Urochordates bears vertebral column only in tail region throughout the life. Then what is the correct statement? Cephalochordates, they have the notochord all along the length of the body throughout the life, but urochordate have notochord in the tail region. In the larval stage only. So, urochordates possesses notochord in larval stage only. That you should remember. Question number 50. Tusk of elephant is a modified incisor, canine, premolar and molar. It is incisor. Answer A. So in this particular video, my statement may be little confusing for you, where the correct statement is antogeny recapitulates phylogeny. That means embryonic stage of higher organisms resemble the adult stages of lower organisms. Example, gills in human embryo and gills in adult fish. Thank you.